What's going on, guys? Just removed the GLI spoiler because we're going to put something different on. Still need to remove all this adhesive, but we are going to be upgrading to this spoiler, just a little more aggressive for this MK6 GLI. And it's going to look really, really good. Another reason is because I'm going to be wrapping this car. Now, there's a method to take that off. Those are really on there from the factory. Don't ask me how I did it because I would not recommend it. I went in there with some screwdrivers and stuff. Everybody else will tell you to use fishing line, but I'm not a fisherman, so I don't have any. We did what we could, popped it off. We're gonna be wrapping the trunk in the new color and finally finishing this car off before the end of the year. This will be the last color I'll be putting on the car, and it's not coming off. This will be the last vinyl wrap for this car. Now we just need to clean this, prep it, and use some adhesive remover, get all this sticky stuff off. Adhesive removed. I'm about to hit it with a quick clay bar to get the surface nice and smooth. All right, clay bar's done. If you're wondering what I use, the Mothers sells a clay bar kit. It comes with clay, comes with the detailer. That's pretty much all you need. Spray that on and then clay before you start putting wrap on, and you'll avoid all those little specks. Sun's going down, but I was able to finish the top piece. This is Aura vinyl. First time ever using Aura vinyl. It's very forgiving and the shine is really nice, but the tack is super high. So get some tack reducer and it'll save you some time. They advertise it like easy DIY vinyl wrap. It isn't. So get some tack reducer. I'll leave all the stuff in the description, all the stuff you need if you're going to use this brand. I wouldn't do it, but that's just me. What's up, guys? Day 2. So we're just going to finish up the trunk. I'm ready to see this thing done. The color is amazing, so I'm ready to slap on the emblem and that new wing, so let's just get going. So here's the new color in the sun. Looks really good. All right, so let's slap on that last piece and see this complete. All right, so now that that's done, we can finally attach the new rear spoiler. Oh, it's gonna look sick. And of course the rear emblem that I haven't put on in a long time because I've been meaning to wrap this car. Well, you remember. All right, time to put this on. Yeah, this is just perfect. And I love how the black wing kind of reflects the red at a certain angle. So it looks like it has like a pearl. So freaking good. Very clean. All right, so the wrap has begun again. And I'm going to get this wrapped up. I might do some here, maybe go somewhere else for the bigger pieces. It's usually the quarter panel on this car is just so difficult because it wraps all the way around. But I've done it a few times to know how to do it the best way. So let me know what you guys think. I'm very happy with the new look. And again, this will be the last color on this car. I'm not going to wrap it again. This is staying on long term. And I'm very happy with the color decision. And again, guys, Aura vinyl, somewhat DIY friendly, but pick up some S. This is going to make your life a lot easier. And I'll show you how to use that in the later videos when we do the rest of these bigger panels. So, yeah, that's all I got for today. Happy Thanksgiving. I'll see you in the next one.